Welcome to our tutorial on how to add links to the media in your Wix galleries. Adding links to your galleries allows visitors to be directed to different destinations when they interact with media items. You can add links to media in both the Pro Gallery and Standard galleries. Let's start with the Pro Gallery. First, go to your site's editor. Select the plus icon and choose Gallery. Pick the Wix Pro Gallery from the list and adjust it to fit your site. Once selected, open the Settings and navigate to the Settings tab. When clicking on an item drop-down menu, choose A Link Opens and then close the panel. Next, go to Manage Media and select the gallery item you want to add a link to. On the right side, find the link field, choose the link type, and enter the relevant information. Confirm by clicking Done. Then, enter the name of your link in the link title field and finalize by clicking Done again. Finally, preview your page and interact with the image with the added link to ensure it works correctly. Now you've successfully added a link to your Pro Gallery. Next, let's add a link to a regular gallery. Select the plus icon again and navigate to Gallery. This time, select Grid Galleries and pick one from the list. Select the gallery and open the Settings icon. Under the When Clicked drop-down menu, choose A Link Opens. Proceed to change images and select the image you want to link. On the right side, locate the link field. Select a link type and enter the details. Confirm by clicking Done. Then close the Organize Your Gallery Images window by selecting Done again. Preview your page and interact with the image with the added link to confirm it's working. That's how to add a link to your regular gallery. If you have any feedback or questions, please let us know in the comments below. And if you don't have a Wix account yet, no problem. You can sign up for a 100% free account using the link in the description below and start building your own website today.